Looks like the strategy didn't work. I was in this trade 26 seconds. Wow. From worker to trader, day number 20. Today we will test one interesting strategy. First of all, we have Nasdaq. The second we have Dow Jones, right? Is Dow Jones? Yeah, it probably Dow Jones. Is this Dow Jones? We have zone of support over here. Boom. And here. Boom. I saw one interesting strategy, and I want to test the strategy today. I think it's called the Mamba FX breakout. I'll show you two more guys I watch it to fully understand how it works. The idea is simple. Before the session opens, for me it's 9:30 Eastern time, for my time it's 8:30 New York session. We mark a support zone and a resistance zone. Then after one of those zones is broken, we enter in the direction of the breakout. But the key is to watch the price action carefully, because fake breaks out happen pretty often. Almost the same situation with the Nasdaq. Probably we want to go lower. We want to go lower because we already took liquidity from the top. In my opinion, we want to go down. Okay, let's see. Let's see. We didn't break this level of support. I mean, of resistance.
I kind of think that I...
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in the long. Let's go. Looks like the strategy didn't work. Yeah. What about here? Nasdaq. Nasdaq just going straight to the moon. Maybe this. Wait a second. Why this didn't follow up?
Because.
Beautiful strategy. Beautiful strategy. Look at this week.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see. Looks like some gamble strategy, but it's not. I will explain you a little bit after. Let's go down. Let's go. I waited in this position for too long, because in this strategy you should close your position when you already touched the previous level of support. In my case, the level of support on the left was already touched, so that was my mistake.
Order filled. Order filled.
What the fuck is going on?
Because we want to take liquidity now a little bit higher, right?
Order filled.
Now, what do we want to do?
Order filled.
Stop it. Get some help.
What the fuck am I doing, bro? Okay. We took liquidity from the bottom. Now we're trying to go up, or no? What about Nasdaq? Who knows?
Order filled.
Right. Easy $35. Bruh, I didn't expect this bitch. Okay, Nasdaq just crazy. Look at this candle. Alright. Probably.
Order filled.
Yeah, let's go with the Nasdaq. Let's go. Break this bitch. My bias for today was bearish already, and after this biggest fuck candle, I would like to go down. Wait, yes, let's go down, at least here. Let's go.
Order filled.
It works! It works! Wait, what the fuck I did right now? 4 fucking minutes plus $1,000. Wait, what the hell, bro? What the hell? Wait, what the hell? Wait, what the hell? I record this video 8 minutes. Wait, what the hell? I even forgot about my pain. Now I will explain you what I did. So the strategy is, we are market the zone of support and the zone of resistance. In the Dow Jones index, we have this impulse that we break the level of resistance, but then we just started to go down, which is not really nice. Then I really understood that we want to go down because we want to take liquidity from the top and from the bottom. So I opened my trade in the bottom. I took a little bit of money. If I will wait a couple of minutes more, as you can see, I will took my money more, right? But then I saw the situation in the Nasdaq, which is a lot biggest chance to go down because a lot of liquidity we have here. Really a lot of liquidity that we didn't take. That we didn't take this liquidity. So I decided to open my trade in the bottom. And from the start of the day, I said to you that today I really want to go down. And boom, just like that, $1,000, really fast, really nice. And why I decided to try this strategy? No, not exactly after the videos, right? I watched all these videos, but what I see, look here. 8:30, look at this fucking movement. 8:30, boom. The market just opened and then After this, day before, 8:30, boom, we just crashed a little bit on the downside. We had level of support here, so when we already open the market, we can open our trade here, and we can probably take all this movement. Before day, level support, level resistance, boom, we break this level. Do you see this? It's just insane, bro. Like in this YM, it's US 30, it's Joe Dons, Dons Joe. Wait. Yeah, Dow Jones. Holy shit, for me it's too difficult to pronounce. So with this index it works really nice. With the Nasdaq it's a little bit harder. Anyways, so if I could take my money from the goddamn 5 minutes when the market is open, maybe it's interesting strategy. What do you think? 26 seconds. I was in this trade 26 seconds. Wow. Wow. All right, guys. See you in the day number 21. Bye bye.